Okay, so today we have the truck that you have possibly seen in one of my other videos. It was the project truck. Finished. We replaced the servo. We added these steps. Custom made. And we have the little area where the gear sticks out of the truck. And this thing was not a kit truck. It wasn't anything like a kit truck or we bought it brand new. This is all 20 different RC cars, possibly one. But here's the test. Here's how fast it goes. Just so you know, that's lying. You saw him in my other video. It goes fast. Oh yeah, it has no shocks, and that's why it's bouncing so much. Whoops. But if you do see the truck in the background, that one, this is actually supposed to represent that one.
Let's go over there. Let's go over there and show him the picture.
But I have something customized on that one that we don't have on the RC car. But of course, we don't have a trailer hitch or a trailer hitch mount. We can't tow trailers yet. But here's what it's supposed to represent. Of course, I don't have the mirrors or the bed or the front bumper, but color's basically the same. And also, if you haven't, like and subscribe, and I know it doesn't say this, but well, it's still the exact same truck, just in RC car form.